So today it's Pants and Family here, and this is something that I want to share something with. You might have this. It's very famous and it is trending so much. And I'm almost the last one who does videos and things that trend in YouTube. And this will not trend because I have a little amount of subscribers. So I'll just show you what I have. You might know what it is, and it is a fidget spinner. You guys have better ones than me, but I just choose a plain one because red is my favorite color. Actually, it's orange, but I just choose this one because I couldn't find orange in that store, so I just got red. JK, I didn't buy it. I went to the park today and I found this. Weird, and I stole it. I didn't steal it, but I just took it anyway, so yeah. Ugh. So yeah, this is gonna be my shortest video ever because this fidget spinner is like awesome. Comment down below on what you do with your fidget spinner, or what kind of fidget spinner do you have, or do you like this fidget spinner a lot? A scale to 1 to 10, or yeah. And I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and comment down below, and please smash that subscribe button. And I hope you guys like this video. I already said that, but whatever, guys. So I'll see you guys again. Bye.